Namaskar, myself Dr. Suprit welcomes you all in the weekly weather discussion of India Meteorological Department. Today is 24th July and we'll see the major synoptic system during the past week, that is 17th July to 23rd July. The main system which affected our region was a land depression over southeast Uttar Pradesh and neighborhood, and its movement to the northwest Rajasthan during 17th to 23rd July. And as we can see that the system moved slowly over the week, and it impacted a lot of northern parts of the central India and caused many places heavy to very heavy to some places extremely heavy rainfall also, and it caused flooding in Rajasthan, also in some parts of Pakistan. We can see that the system associated cloud pattern associated with the system, we can see in the animation. You see that the moderate to intense convection pattern traveling from east to west. Apart from that, monsoon trough was near its normal position during 17 to 19 July, with western into the south of its normal position and eastern in north of its normal position during 20 to 23rd July. And also because of active monsoon conditions, isolated extremely heavy rainfall event are also recorded over coastal Karnataka on 17 July, Assam and Meghalaya, Subhimalayan West Bengal and Sikkim on 20 July, Telangana on 23rd July. The map shows the very heavy rainfall in the number of days and extremely heavy rainfall in the subdivision level, a number of days it occurred. And as we can see that because of the system, the land depression, the 2-3 days of extremely heavy rainfall occurred in the eastern Uttar Pradesh and the Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan region. And also because of the monsoon condition, 1 or 2 days extreme heavy rainfall occurred over Rayalaseema, coastal Karnataka, Subhimalayan West Bengal and Sikkim, and also Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura. Same monsoon conditions caused very heavy rainfall also over most of the country except Haryana and Punjab and also Arunachal Pradesh and some parts of the southern peninsular India including Vidarbha. If you see the extreme heavy rainfall reports where rainfall more than 21 centimeter or equal to 21 centimeter occurred, so 17 July coastal Karnataka, Mulki reported 31 centimeters, Mangalore reported 21 centimeter, over East Madhya Pradesh, Naigadhi reported 25 centimeter, Mauganj 22 centimeter and Hanumana 21 centimeter, over West MP, one station reported 21 centimeter, and also East Uttar Pradesh, Chunar reported 24 and Meja reported 21 centimeter rainfall. On 18 July, East MP, few stations, Chhatarpur, Gaurihar, Polera reported more than 21 centimeter of rainfall. On 19 July, over Rajasthan, Nainwa or Mata city each reported 23 centimeter of rainfall. On 20 July, Subhimalayan and Subhimalayan West Bengal and Sikkim, there are 2 stations reported extremely heavy rainfall, and Assam and Meghalaya 1 station. And over on 23rd July, Telangana, Venkatapuram reported 26 centimeter of rainfall. Now we'll see the cumulative rainfall status. First we'll see the weekly rainfall during 17 July to 23rd July and its comparison with the long period average. If you see the east and northeast India, actual rainfall was 54 millimeters against the normal value of 97.1 centimeter, where its departure was minus 44% departure, that is the deficient category. And if you see the northwest India, the actual rainfall was 53.8 millimeter and against the normal value of 51 millimeter, and departure was plus 6, which is in the normal ranges. And central India, it was 53.6 actual rainfall against the normal value of 77.2 centimeter, and it was the departure was deficient, that is minus 31 percentage. If you consider South Peninsular India, so the actual value was 71.8 millimeter against the normal value of 41.9 millimeter, and the departure was plus 47 percentage, and it was the excess rainfall. Overall country in the last week, the overall country recorded actual rainfall is 57.3 millimeter against the normal of 66.7 millimeter, and the departure was minus 14%, which is again in the normal category. And now if you see the monsoon rainfall over the season, that is cumulative rainfall from 1st June to 23rd July, as we can see that not much change from the past week rainfall status. The parts of like Bihar, East Uttar Pradesh, Subhimalayan West Bengal and Assam and Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh, also apart from that Marathwada and Rayalaseema and Lakshadweep recorded a deficient category. Then whole of the South India, most of the places the rainfall was under normal ranges, and the places over central India and western India, the rainfall was either excess or the large excess rainfall. Overall, if you see the different homogeneous regions, so east and northeast India reported departure, that is minus 25%, that is the deficient category, and northwest India, if you talk about seasonal rainfall, it reported plus 26% from the long period normal, and that was in the excess category. Over central India, it was plus 20%, that is excess category. Over south peninsular India, it was near normal, that is just minus 2% less than the long period average. And if you see the country as a whole, it was just 0.5%. So the actual was 389 millimeter and the normal was 370.9 millimeter rainfall. So just 5% excess, that is plus 5% excess, that is in the normal ranges. Now we'll discuss the forecast for next 2 weeks issued today. For rainfall scenario for week 1, the whole of the central part and then south peninsular India shows more than excess rainfall, and the northern parts of country shows the deficient, that is the red color, hotter colors. And for week 2, the rainfall is going to decrease over most of the parts of the country, and there will be an increase of rainfall in the northern parts. So for week 1, that is forecast for valid for 24 to 30 July. The monsoon trough is expected to run south of its normal position, and monsoon is likely to be in active phase with heavy to very heavy rainfall at few places over east, central and west coastal parts of India, and also extremely heavy rainfall where more than 20 centimeter in 24 hours is likely at isolated places over Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Madhya Maharashtra and Konkan and Goa during the week. And for the week 2, that is forecast is valid for 31st July to 6th August. Overall, near normal to above normal rainfall activity is likely over most part of the east and northeast, and near normal over many parts of the northwest India, below normal over remaining parts of the country during the week, and fairly widespread rainfall with isolated heavy rainfall to very heavy rainfall likely over many parts of the east India, especially Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal, and over northeast India during the many days of the second week. Now we will see the subdivision wise weather warning for next 7 days. So heavy to very heavy rainfall activity likely to continue over many parts of India during next 6 to 7 days, with extremely heavy rainfall as more than 21 centimeter per day, at extremely heavy rainfall likely over Odisha on 24th and 25th, Chhattisgarh on 25th and 26th, Madhya Pradesh on 26th and 26th. And this is under the influence of the system formed today over the northern part of the Bay of Bengal, and apart from that, Konkan and Goa coast, Ghat areas of Madhya Maharashtra, Vidarbha and gigantic West Bengal also will experience extremely heavy rainfall on 25th July. Now we'll see the forecast of cyclogenesis during next 2 weeks. As we can see the map, the first panel shows the week 1 probability of cyclogenesis in the northern Indian Ocean, and second map shows the for week 2. So as you can see that there is a red patch over the north bay of Bengal. There is a high probability of cyclogenesis, and as of now, the low pressure over the North Bay of Bengal moved slowly west-northwestward and lay as a well-marked low pressure area over the same region as of today, that is 24 July 17:30 hours IST, and also it is likely to continue to move west-northwestwards and intensify into depression over coastal areas of West Bengal and Bangladesh during next 24 hours. It is likely to move west-northwestwards across gigantic West Bengal, North Odisha, Jharkhand and adjoining North Chhattisgarh during subsequent days. And as I mentioned you earlier, under its influence, all of that gigantic West Bengal, Odisha and Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh, they are experiencing 1 or 2 places extremely heavy rainfall also can occur. And for week 2, there is no probability of cyclogenesis during week 2. However, there is a probability of formation of an upper air cyclonic circulation or low pressure area over North Bay of Bengal and adjoining West Bengal, Bangladesh coast during the week. And now we'll see the fisherman warning for week 1. The map shows the marked areas. The fishermen are advised not to venture into the marked areas of Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal, that is mostly under the central and north central Bay of Bengal. So fishermen are advised not to venture into these areas because of squally wind speeds. That's all for today. Please download our apps, Mausam app, Damni app, Meghdud app, and follow our website. Thank you. Namaskar. Jai Hind.